Hey guys, my name is Nate and this is Rocky.
Hey guys.
From Can Construction. And today we are going to share with you how we install the asphalt shingles properly. First, of course, in each project we bring a dumpster to the job site, and after that we put the tarp all around the house. Especially we try to protect the property, landscaping and flower beds. After that, we start to remove the existing shingles from the top to the bottom side. And after we done removing the shingles, we clean up and inspect the deck. If there's any rotten part, we'll let the customer know, and after we replace that part. Once we are ready to install the shingles, we start with the drippage. Let's start with the drippage from the eaves. First we put the drippage in here. Let's install this. Okay. And after putting the drippage, we apply ice and water 6 feet from the bottom. My model is small, that's why I'm going to use just 3 feet, just one row, and after the rest of the roof we apply the synthetic underlayment. Synthetic underlayment. There should be at least 5 to 6 inch overlap. After that, we put the drippage on the gable.